How? Very interesting. How does the number 2 become real number 1? Okay. How? Making other people number 1. If he does not create number 1s, he always wants to be number 2 under the real number 1. He will never progress. If he just acts as though he is just a chela, he will never become number 1. How does the number 2 become number 1? By creating lot of number 1s under him, he will become number 1. You understand? Not he tries to become number 1. By him creating lots of number 1s, he becomes number 1. Understand this portion. If you don't learn this, you will all be tukda pakdas on the street, okay? Useless SSY teachers, useless disciples of Guruji are those people who have learned from Guruji who says they have nothing to do with Guruji, okay? There are so many untruthful liars in the place. Kachada people. Their life becomes very miserable. They may become recognized for a few days. They become very, very miserable. Because they know who is number 1 and they are trying to be number 1. Or their life becomes extremely miserable. Extremely miserable. For some time, they may outshine the number 1. For some time. This is just like Rahu Ketu does Grahana. Become very miserable in their life. When Rahu and Ketu catches them, then they become cancer. When Rahu and Ketu catches you, then you will get cancer. You will die out of cancer. Very miserable death you will have. There was one very nice person. He always, I gave him a lot of position, but that fellow thought that he is better than Guruji, and he started becoming number 1 in Hyderabad. He put his photos everywhere. Sadhguru, somebody, dum 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 dum. Died fully, very fast. Many people are like. They try to experiment. A lot of these unwise, stupid people, they will try to experiment. Why I require Guruji? I know everything. I will do everything. Why I should send account? Why I should do? I am doing everything. I am free. I will do whatever I want. There was one boy like that. Prasad. I gave him lot of position. That fellow became like this. He wanted to become number 1. He started blaming everybody and the whole system that they are not encouraging me, they are not doing me, I am a great performer, this, that. He is really a great performer. He is a very nice boy. I still have a lot of sympathy for this boy. He will come back. But problem is he wanted to become number 1. Oh, he died. Now he calls me, Guruji, Guruji. He keeps in touch with me. His only disease is he wants to be number 1. That's the problem. He still respects Guruji, but he wants the disease of number 1. Okay. Don't get this disease. Number 1 is a very, very big disease. Always be number 2. Produce lots of number 1s. You will definitely become number 1. Okay. Unrecognized number one. Unrecognized number one. That is important. Oh, you are free. Okay. You produce lot of number ones, but make sure that those number ones get this lesson, or else they will fall. Huh? They will get into lot of misery. Be very careful. When Guruji tells you, you are great, you are great, don't suddenly start thinking, I'm better than Guruji. Guruji himself said, you are better than me. Fantastic. I sometimes tell, to boost up that fellow, hey, you can do better job than me, do it. Of course. What Guruji? No. Now in this world, there is no scope for people who want to become number one. There is no scope. There is only scope for people who want to create number ones. Probably they have come by air and at your cost. Huh? At their cost they have come. At least that much is better. But still wasted their money. They should have come from beginning, not to deliver something great about ISP. Fools, they don't want to learn anything. ISP is not what you are learning here. This number 2 is what you are learning. Okay. All these ISP, RCRT, SSI, all these are all will come to you, no problem. Most important thing is to be number 2. Okay. See, unless you make somebody number 1, why they will work for you, Baba? Huh? Why they will work for you? Huh? Everybody's ego is always active. Even this number 2, whom you are making as number 1, that fellow also has got his ego working. Yes, Guruji recognizes me. He feels me very important. And he gives me all the strength, all the power, everything. So, why I will not work for him? Where he will get all that? Huh? But at the same time, that number 2 must recognize that being number 2 and producing lot of number 1s is the best way to operate in the world. For his own sake. That is the teaching. Otherwise, what they do everywhere, they try to tell you, oh, you should become number 1. Correct now? They make you feel as though you are number 1 also. And then they set up competition between number 2s wanting to be number 1. Okay? Huh? And then those two number 2s are quarreling. Who is to become number 1? Lot of big galata is going on. Lot of unhappiness, for the other number twos. When this number two is promoted to be number one, all these number twos fighting to be number one. Lot of animosity between them. Lot of terror going on. Big politics is going on in the office. Who is the real number one now? Who will be recognized? What I should do? Here the game is different. Here you make sure that the number two recognizes that he should remain number two and make other people number one. Okay. In that other world, power gives you responsibility. In this world, responsibility gives you power. Take on bigger responsibility, okay? Don't shout for number one position. Take bigger and bigger responsibility. Make lots of people number one around you. You will see a miracle happen. If you are taking on the same amount of responsibility, you will never ever progress. Jai Gurudev. Now we will go more into this detail. First one, what you are recognized today? Always be number two. Always be number two. How do you become number two? By creating lot of number ones around you, you become number two. That person should feel, in this post I am number one, okay? And I have been given the authority to be number one. Then slowly that number one, who has been put as number one, he must be tamed to learn that he should be number two. Okay. Jai Gurudev. Or more into it later. This is the most important science. Okay. Just like science of non-doing, this is science of becoming unimportant. It's a very big science. There is no teacher in this. I am the only first teacher in this world for this particular science. Okay.
Number one teacher.
No textbook, no teacher. So many Swamijis come here. This is another interesting thing. So many Swamijis come. I encourage them a lot. I give them number one position. I put them on the stage, I put down, I sit down. Oh, that Swamiji thinks he is now really number one. And I am really number two. It takes them a very long time to understand who is number one, who is number two. Huh? Oh, who will remain with me are those who have recognized similar to what I have. Myself and Father Edwin, we are very close to each other. He also wants to be number two. He also brings up number ones. He has understood that is the only way. But he has not got enough number ones. But he is creating all those children, fantastic prime ministers. Huh? Great quality people he is bringing up, always remaining under. But if he starts wanting to be recognized, big problem starts. For me also. If I start wanting to be recognized number one, big problem starts. For myself. Tomorrow or more. And this number two, okay? Greatness of number two, or tomorrow. Many people are afraid that if you are number two, you will not be able to do what you want. You will have to listen to other number ones. This is the fear. One thing I also noticed, very dangerous, very dangerous one. You should be very careful about this number two, number one business. There was one man, actual story. He was heading a very big NGO, very big. They were probably India's number one NGO in terms of money, in terms of the number of operations they were doing, recognized, very big operation. Somebody introduced me to this person. He was an IAS officer who left that IAS and he started this NGO. And he became very successful. He had a lot of contacts, lot of brain, did a very beautiful job. Then somebody introduced me to this person, said this fellow is doing this, that. Then I began to know that they are doing a lot of good work. Then one day he took me to that person. Before going there, I knew a lot of things about that person. I went there and then we met around 11 o'clock. Then he showed me around what are all the things they have done. Very fantastic, great thinking, everywhere, big thing. I was totally floored. I said, this is a very fantastic person, great person. So, by 1:30, I was very, very impressed with that person. Then I expressed my heartfelt, very, very heartfelt thing that you have done fantastic job, incredible job. I cannot tell you, my express, I can't tell you. Really gave him a very, very big acknowledgement. My heartfelt, it was not just artificial, it was a full heartfelt acknowledgement that this, whatever you have done is just incredible. And I prostrate to you, it's just fantastic you have done. Then what happened? Very unfortunate thing. That person, he did not take it. He did not take it in the right spirit. He thought that he is really great. He felt that his ego, that I am the greatest, like that. High, very high. See what a person like Rishi Prabhakar, what he has got to tell about something, huh? Nobody can acknowledge me more than this person, and he has acknowledged me fully. That means I must be somebody great. Okay. Just got into him, Baba. Within 2.5 hours. Huh? He was a very good person. This acknowledgement acted as a poison on him. If he had understood number 2 and has not taken this into his heart, whatever I told, I'm telling you, whatever I tell you, don't take it into your heart, telling that you are bigger than me. Okay. Whatever acknowledgement I make, please don't take it into your heart. You should always think that Guruji is joking on me. You should never think that Guruji is actually telling me this. Okay? You should know this. That person did not know. He has done lot of work, Mama. Lot of work he has done. But this poison, ego, it went into him. But by my acknowledgement, what happened was, whenever we acknowledge now, say, I really see something great in you, I acknowledge, I prostrate, I completely give unto you. What happens is, you get my papa, I get your punya. Okay. Whenever somebody does namaskar to you, appreciating that you are, what is happening? You are getting their papa, they are getting your punya. Okay. Be very careful. Do you understand? When anybody says, oh, you are God, you are looking like great God to me, show namaskaram, prostrate on namaskar, full-hearted namaskar they do. Huh? If at all you get a little bit moved, and then you think, yeah, I'm very great. All his papa will come to you. All your punya will go to him. Okay. This happened. All his punya I got. All my papa he got. That was the last meeting he had. By 3:30, he had jaundice. In another 3 days, 3 or 4 days, very, very big allegations from the international community that for the same program, he was getting financed by 2 or 3 different international agencies. He was giving the same report to 2 or 3 different and getting money from all of them. That fellow was finished. A whole entire thing that he had done for 16 years, fell down in just 15 days, Baba. He was nowhere, finished. This is not the only case. I'm just telling you. Anybody who thinks that Guruji is really telling me that I'm great, gets into them, all their punya will come to me, all my papa will come to you. And my papas are very big, so you will have to swallow all my papas. Or don't bring me also people who have done some good work, and then I appreciate them. And those fellows lose everything, I gain everything. Should not happen. Before you bring such people, be very careful. You tell them, Guruji will appreciate it very, very much, but you should be very careful that don't take it into your head. Leave it to God. Don't pass it to yourself. Okay? Leave it to God. You should never feel that you have done it. Okay? When you go, and Guruji will tell you that you are very great, wonderful thing has been done. Not one iota should get into your thing, feeling that you are important. If you do, finished. Khattam. Okay. But yes, what to do? Many times you can't save people because they don't want to save themselves. You are not doing anything wrong, but that fellow is doing something wrong. Okay? So always our senior teachers tell me, Guruji, please don't tell anything good about anybody in our organization. If you tell anything good about anybody, that fellow will become a rascal within the next half an hour. Okay? Because they can't take it yet. It is better that I scold you, I beat you, I make a chapati out of you, is better. Okay? Then you get all my punya, I get all your papa. Okay? But if it is the other way around, you cannot stand, you will die. If Guruji gives you with this very, very strong one, you should be very fortunate. Okay. But it depends on how you take it. Okay. You are really fortunate, but damn it, you don't realize that. If you don't realize, you are sunk. If I tell something good about you, be very, very damn careful. Okay. I am encouraging you, not that you are good. I am trying to make you number one. Okay. You are actually not number one, but I am making you feel as though you are number one. Okay. Don't take it into your thing. More than all of this, more than all of this, I should not get into my head that I am great. That is the biggest. Then I will become like a Ravana. We should always feel that we are useless, that we are nothing. Always, no matter what you have accomplished. In the depth of your heart, you must know you are a useless fellow. Okay? Nothing. You are useless, nothing. God has blessed and you are able to do something. If you talk bad about me, all my karma will come to you. I am very happy you talk bad about me. If you talk good about me, then I have a problem. Then all my punya will come to you. So one of the things you must learn is whichever person does not like you, whoever hates you, you must give special love to that person. Whoever hates you, give them very, very special love. And actually from the full heart, you appreciate that person. Okay? Full heart, you appreciate that person. If you have really done a really full-hearted appreciation of that person, okay, within the next few days that person will die. Because he has to get another moksha. He received moksha. He has to come in second term. Okay. So if I am telling something good about you, maybe what is happening is you are going. Especially if you take it into yourself. See, even he is telling that I am good. Definitely that person will die within a few days. All his prana comes to you, all your aprana goes to him. If you want to kill a person, simply, publicly praise that person with full heart. Okay, a person will die. I should not teach you all this thing. Sad. But it is not your problem, it is his problem. From your side, please do. Praise everyone, don't worry. Full-hearted, okay. That person should be careful.